You know when you have those days when your hair just won't go into a parting? I'm having one of those days. Okay, that's the best I can do, so I'm just gonna crop my forehead out of it. Oh yeah. Just a quick introduction to this video. No one really knows about my YouTube thing. I even had to whisper then. I could still get quite nervous talking about it. And a couple of friends know, but I made them like promise to tell no one. And so my family doesn't really know. And I'm going to be telling my mother today. Or whenever, because she's at work today. So probably another day. Yeah. I'm quite nervous, but I don't think she'll be like angry or anything or tell me to stop it. I think I'll be relieved when it's done, because then I can just film whenever I like without having to worry about people thinking I'm strange, like just talking to myself in my room, because everyone knows how normal I am. And so we're just going to see how it goes. Let's take a look, shall we? Mum, can I ask you something really quick? Do you have time? Hang on.
Pass auf, nicht auf meine Dinge.
I won't sit on it. Mother, you know how I really like YouTube? What would you say if, hypothetically, yeah, I started my own channel? Oh my god, you seem so enthusiastic. Oh my god.
I love you, whatever.
Oh, Mum, so supportive. Oh my god, hashtag biggest fan ever.
I wouldn't go that far.
Mum, you're making me blush. Oh my god. Okay, do you have any questions? If I was to do it.
Just get on with it.
Okay, just get on with it. Life advice. Okay.
Off you go.
Okay.
Off.
Bye.
Off.
Again with the hair. I'm sorry about it. It's just not doing anything, so I'll just put my hand over it because that looks nice and normal. So that definitely went better than I expected. She didn't seem too bothered. I don't think she believes me really, but it's definitely better than her caring too much and telling me to stop it or something. So one final goodbye from me and my mum. So there was all the love and support from my mum. Do you want to say bye? There,
Bye.
life advice.
Bye.
Just do it.
Just
yeah.
Get on
Just get on.
with it. Bye.
You're not waving. That, oh, such a sincere smile. Oh my god.
Off person.
Oh, I look like an angel.
You do.
I do.
My dear. You do.